Hello, my dear friends. Welcome to all for this session. Hello, am I audible to the both? Okay, well, good morning, everyone. First of all, I'm very glad to meet you all in this webinar on career opportunities for civil engineering at present job market. I want to say one thing first. Don't feel this webinar like an online class. Please try to make it an interactive session with your interaction, with your active participation. So uh, around 85 and around 100 participants have joined till now. So still around 100 people have to join. Please just wait for 2-3 minutes. Then we will start our session. Till then, you can interact among yourselves. So many seniors are there here, and juniors can ask any doubts that you are having regarding any technical aspects on your subject. Some graduates also there in this meet, so you can interact yourself. Uh, Particularly, I want to hear from the graduates who are already passed out students from different colleges of AP. I want to hear from you if you want to share anything about your experiences after your graduation, after once you have passed out from your campus. What is your experience in the outside life? I want to hear from you if you want to share something. So you can interact for 5 minutes. Then we will start our webinar. Guys, please respond. At least say hi or hello. Sorry for the inconvenience. My name is Prudviraj. మాట్లాడండి, కనీసం హాయ్ అన్నా చెప్పండి. మీ ఇక్కడ చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు.
హాయ్ బ్రో.
ఫ్రెండ్స్ ఉన్నారా ఫ్రెండ్స్?
హలో బ్రో.
హాయ్ పృథ్వీనియా.
హాయ్.
హౌ ఆర్ యు అన్నయ్య?
ఐఎమ్ ఫైన్.
తినేసావా పృథ్వీ అన్నయ్య?
అన్నయ్య గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ అన్నయ్య.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్.
గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ పృథ్వీ అన్నయ్య.
రెస్పాండ్ అవ్వనియా.
జూనియర్స్ ఏమన్నా మాట్లాడాలనుకుంటే మాట్లాడండి. ఈవెన్ ఇటు స్టూడెంట్స్ కూడా చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు. సీనియర్స్ ని ఏమన్నా అడగాలనుకుంటే అడగండి. చాలా మంది ఉన్నారు ఇక్కడ సీనియర్స్, మీకు గైడెన్స్ ఇవ్వగలిగిన వాళ్ళు. సార్ ఇంకొక 2 minutes లో జాయిన్ అవుతున్నారు.
అనే సార్ వచ్చే వరకు ఏదో ఒకటి మాట్లాడనియా.
Okay, well, let's start our session. My dear friends, now I would like to introduce you our speaker, Mr. Pinninti Rajakumar sir, who is an engineer at Afcons Infrastructure Limited. He has an experience of interacting with 25,000 civil engineering students till now and delivered his valuable lectures. He has a great personality with an aim to guide and build successful and talented civil engineers for the society, and involved in social services through a non-profit organization called Just Do It. So, without any delay, I would like to invite Mr. Pinninti Rajakumar sir to deliver his lecture. Over to you, sir. Thank you.
థ్యాంక్ యూ పృథ్వీ. గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ వన్ అండ్ ఆల్, అండ్ మై బ్రదర్స్ అండ్ సిస్టర్స్ ఆఫ్ మై కంట్రీ. And thank you for your wonderful introduction, Mr. Prudvi. And today I would like to talk with you all people, interact with you all people, like not like a guest lecture. I want to interact with you like your elder brother, and I want to guide you people. Why? Because it's my passionate work. I'm talking from the Gabon country, from Central Africa. I am working here. Okay. First, I would like to introduce myself, and I will mix English and Telugu also. As the most of the users convenience, I will speak both English and Telugu based upon the requirement. Okay. Now, I would like to introduce myself. Now, are you able to hear my voice? Is it okay?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Myself, Rajakumar Pinninti. I am working as a quality control and lean excellence engineer in Afcons Infrastructure Limited from last 3.5 years. and I have started my journey in NCC Limited for Agra to Lucknow Expressway. So before that, I have completed my BTech in Vignan Institute of Information Technology, Duvada, nearby Visakhapatnam. And after that, I have attended more than 50 companies. So I have rejected by more than 50 companies at a time due to not having the experience. And after that, I got the opportunity to work with a for a small firm for a 5,000 salary. And after working 5 months at there, I got in the second campus, second round placement. I got the opportunity to work with for the India's longest expressway road project, that is in with the NCC Limited, Nagarjuna Construction Company Limited. So I have worked at there 1.5 year, and I used to know many wonderful things, and excellent knowledge I have gained from there, and the international standard knowledge I have gained there. And after that, I have moved to Amravati Capital City Road in 2016 as a DBMBC in charge. So after that, I have worked at there 6 months, and after that, I got the opportunity to work with India's longest railway project for GMR Infrastructure Limited in Delhi to Howrah railway project. So I have worked at there as a quality engineer for 1.5 year. So after completion of that 1.5 year, I got 3 opportunities to work with L&T and Tata projects and also FCONs. I have chosen the FCONs to work for the international projects, as it is a I got they offered me for the work for the international abroad projects. So then I choose it to work for the FCONs. At FCONs, I worked as a quality control engineer from 2018 September. I have started my journey in the FCONs. So after joining in the FCONs, I have learned many things like ISO standards and what is the lean construction, latest technologies, and everything. I have learned many things. And also here my company also training many things, many webinars and many e-learning courses. So I have learned many things. Why? Because I am interacting with many professionals. So after completion of my 2 years experience, so when I was in graduation, I don't know what civil engineers will do. So I know that only civil engineer, I know civil engineer only. But in the civil engineering firm also, as many departments, this much of departments are the like QA, QC. I will introduce all the departments in the upcoming slides when I started my presentation. So I thought in the 2018 I got one idea that I have missed some wonderful opportunities. So why can't I share these opportunities to the present undergraduate students? So from 2018 I started interacting with many colleges with my own money. I attended more than 50 colleges, more than 100 seminars, guest lectures I have given online and offline to the many colleges with my own money. I attended. Why? Because it's my passion. Why? Because I missed some golden opportunities. I did very hard work. So no one is there to help me. So that's why. I thought that no one has to face the problems which I have faced in my early stage of the career. So that's why I started interacting with the students. When I was interacting with the student colleges, I gave my WhatsApp number. Like that, many people are interacted. So until now, I have interacted with more than 25,000 civil engineering students in Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. After that, I got an idea that why can't we share one forum like that? So after that, I have started recently construction leaders. So as a part of the construction leaders, what we are doing is that we are providing webinars. In the last year November, I have started this construction leaders. So at that time, what I did is that I have shared some Google form. With that Google form, if anyone joined, so we will send Zoom links, freely Zoom links, and every month we conduct 2 webinars by industry experts. With my expertise, who are having my industry connections, I offer them to give the one free webinar for our aspirants. So like that, I started my journey for the construction leaders. Then I got the good response from the whole over India, from pan India also. So then I got many connections in LinkedIn also, more than 17,000 followers that came after starting this journey. So I thought that why can't we do something for our society, and why can't we start one NGO in a civil engineering society? And after COVID also, if you see, the gap between the academics and industry became more. So that's why I started this platform to bridge the gap between the academics and industry. So my mission is to prepare minimum 100 good and talented civil engineers for the society every year. As a part of that, I am doing this as my service. So, and recently on September 15th, we have started a construction leaders forum, and I will explain you about that one at the end of the day, end of the session. So you can take the free lifetime free membership. Why? Because I'm doing everything free for the students. Why? Because I don't want to go for the commercial aspects. I want to do this as a my service to the society and as an expert. Why? Because if in industry, if you see, many experts are becoming expert by learning his new things in his domain or in his subject, but he's not trying to make the prepare the expert for the society like him. So this has to be changed. So I have started this initiation to bridge the gap between the academics and industry. I want to build the professional leaders for the construction industry. It's my passion. I challenged many industry people. I will prepare the professional leaders, and even I want to make this people. I want to make the all the aspirants who are of construction leaders. So even they, if they don't get the jobs also, they can build their own consultancies. Like that, I want to make this one. So recently, within 2.5 months, we got 1,000 registrations from all over India. I have started from for India, for our India, but I got good response from US and Canada and UAE also. Many registrations, many professionals are coming. So many professionals are coming forward to help us that you are doing a noble cause. This one is needed for the industry. So we will also help you. Like that, they are coming forward to help me. So soon we will provide some jobs also, internships also. Within 1 year time, we can provide jobs and internships also. So I'm trying for that also. I'm increasing my connections also. This is about my introduction, guys. And now I would like to go for my presentation. So నేను ఇక్కడ మీకు కంప్లీట్ గా ఇక్కడ ఎందుకంటే కెరీర్ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ అండ్ ఇండస్ట్రియల్ ఎక్స్పోజర్ మీద ఎందుకు మాట్లాడాలనుకుంటున్నానంటే ఎక్కువ సార్లు చాలా కాలేజెస్ లో నేను ఇప్పటివరకు టాప్ మోస్ట్ కాలేజెస్ కూడా వెళ్ళాను. సో అక్కడ నేను ఫేస్ చేసింది ఏంటంటే చాలా దగ్గరలో చూస్తే పాత కొత్త అది మంచి కాలేజీల్లో కూడా అసలు సివిల్ ఇంజనీర్కి ఏ కెరీర్ ఆపర్చునిటీస్ ఉన్నాయనేది ఇప్పుడు కూడా ఐడియా లేదు చాలా మందికి. సో నేను ఏదైతే మిస్ అయ్యానో, నేను జాబ్ చేస్తున్నప్పుడు చాలా ఐఐటీస్కి ఎన్ఐటీస్కి కన్సల్టెన్సీ పర్పస్ మీద వెళ్ళాను. సో ఆ టైంలో చాలా మిస్ అయ్యాను అనమాట. సో ఓకే ఐ విల్. సో at that when I am doing the work, I have attended many IITs and NITs. At that time I have missed some I have realized that whatever the wonderful opportunities I missed. So that's why I would like to talk on the career opportunities. In this presentation, I have made all the wonderful opportunities. I have incorporated all wonderful opportunities in this presentation. I am going to explain each and every concept. Okay. And after my presentation, you can ask me any questions. I will interact with you all also. I'm ready to answer any questions also. Even after this session also, I will give my contact number. So you can contact me also, no problem. I'm ready to speak with the students and I am ready to guide people. Why? Because every Sunday I'm used to talk with the people regularly like this only. Okay. So now I'm going to move on to my presentation. Now I am okay. All are okay. I mean, as I'm going fast or slow. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Comfortable, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Okay. Thank you. Yeah. So, so career opportunities. Coming to the my topic is the what are the various opportunities for civil engineers at present job market. Okay. So we are going to discuss all the wonderful opportunities. So if one BTech student who has the one person who has completed BTech civil engineering or diploma, what are the various opportunities for him with the civil engineering degree? How many fields he can enter? I would like to explain. Okay, in the either in the government sector or in the private sector, if they want to become a entrepreneur or if they want to do the masters further studies in US, in India and abroad also, I am going to explain everything. Okay, and I will in meanwhile I will also share my experience also. Okay. So I have divided all the opportunities, career opportunities in government sector and public sector units and private sector jobs, entrepreneur and higher studies and teaching jobs. Okay. So now I would like to explain the government sector jobs. Next. So if you see in the government sector jobs, we have engineering services, engineering services exam, GATE, APPSC, TSPSC. Here APPSC, I will explain each and every one separately. No need to worry. I will explain each and everything. Okay. And APPSC, ISRO, DRDO, and SSCJE, RRBJE, defense services, and bank jobs. So these are in the government sector. You can enter into these fields. Now I would like to explain you can the government sector jobs also we will call as a public sector units also. Government jobs are public sector.
Slides are not presenting.
Hello?
Yeah. Slides are not presenting. Now it is okay.
For me, okay. Next one, next slide, you can go. Next slide, it's not showing for me. Are you able to see? Next slide. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. So now coming to the engineering services exam. Why I kept this the first job in the government sector and public sector units. Engineering services exam, or else IES, Indian Engineering Services. This exam is the highest level exam in the public sector units. So you can enter into the topmost organizations in the central government and join, like border roads organizations, IRS, Indian Railway Services, like the higher level jobs you can enter. So in the administration, if you see IAS and IPS are in the administration, those are the higher level exams in the administration. If you coming to the technical things, IES exam is the highest level exam. For this examination, you need determination, strong determination. So you can't prepare like a 1 day batting or 1 month batting like that preparing. So you can't prepare like that. So you crack this examination, you need to go deep into the subject. You should love the subject and you have to know basics of the subjects, not the concepts. So then you can clear this examination. I'm going to explain the examination process also, everything. So in the engineering services exam, you will have also paper 1, paper 2 also. In the paper 1, paper 2 also. And also if you crack this examination, you can join an assistant engineer and retire as a chairman or managing director. So this is the wonderful job, guys. So with these jobs, you can enter into the topmost organizations. You can see here in my presentation, I have said that Indian Railway Services exams, Indian Stores Central Engineering Services, and AWE in border roads organizations. Border roads organization, recently we have our FCONs constructed one project, that is that Atal Tunnel, engineering marvel. So that is also constructed under border roads organizations. Border roads organization is the client for this project. So like that project, that India's challenging projects, you can work with this border roads organization. So like this. After that, Indian Defense Services, MES, Military Engineering Services also you can enter. CPWD, Central Public Works Department also you can enter. So this is the highest level exam, guys. So you need the concentration. So focus also for this examination. So the best year is to prepare for this is the second year, engineering second year. So from the engineering year, start preparing for this examination. While after entering the final year, you can be able to easily crack this examination. So this is the one golden opportunities, guys. That's why I'm saying this exam is the one more wonderful. So exam pattern వచ్చేసరికి next slide అండి. Okay. So exam lo prelims, and you will have the prelims and mains and personality test. In the prelims means we will have the objective type questions. Objective type questions means they will give one question, they will give the 4 options. In that you have to select one right answer. You have the negative marks. And after in this prelims also, will have from 2017 they have changed the exam pattern of IES. They have added quantitative aptitude, reasoning, some other subjects also they have added. General the current affairs is all things. Current affairs are already there, but general ability is there earlier in before 2017. Now arithmetic, reasoning, current with in addition to the current affairs and general ability, they have added this arithmetic reasoning and this subject. So in the prelims, you will have the objective type questions. So after qualifying prelims, you will be aligned to the mains examination. So in the mains, you will have conventional type questions. Conventional means they will give the theory questions. You have to answer like our semester examinations. So I will explain in the IES exam. We will have to in the core subjects also we have two parts. One is structural subjects. Second one is non-structural subjects. Structural subject means the material structural analysis, and engineering mechanics. All these subjects are comes under structural. Come to the non-structural subjects. Non-structural subjects are those environmental engineering, geotechnical engineering, transportation engineering, building materials. These are all concrete technology. All this comes under non-structural subjects. So in the prelims also you will have structural paper. You will have one paper for subject and one paper for non-structural subjects. And mains also will have like that. Mains also you will have the conventional time. After qualifying in the mains, you will have a personality test. So maximum the people who have qualified in mains, they may select in the personality test. So they will ask you in your ambition, your goals, like they can ask you. Okay, this is about this examination, guys. This is one more wonderful opportunity, and you can use this one. So you can prepare. So then I have attended more than 5 IITs. When I attend that for the consultancy purposes, when I working in companies, so I used to ask how you enter. They enter the IITs through GATE, and I asked their goal. Their goal is they may goal as a IES, Indian Engineering, to crack the IES examination. And after that, what they did is first they will crack the GATE, and after that, what they do is that in the 2 years time of IIT or NIT, what they do is that they prepare for the IES examination. Their ultimate goal is IES, but they use GATE. They will one opportunity to enter into the IITs or NITs. So like this also you can do. First you prepare for the GATE. After that you are cracking the seat or NIT. So you will get 2 years time. In that time you will get more time, and at the time during that you can prepare for the IES exam also. Even in the BTech person who has started in the BTech second year, he can successful well in this examination. Why? Because this needs more preparation also. And I would like to explain about the conventional questions, how they will give. One example. Suppose if they want to find you moment of resistance of a T section. I think you all aware about the RCC. I think in all subjects completed in E1 and E2, I think. In third year and E3 and E4 will be internships and other things, I think, project, I think. So from last 3 years, I have been interacting with the IIIT students. So that's why I know this concept. Okay. So now I am going to explain. So the conventional type, how they will the. So suppose if they want to find you, if they give the question type, how to find the moment of resistance of a T section. What is the procedure? You have to know the depth of the legs. So what is the procedure to know the depth of the legs? What is the condition? So compressive equilibrium condition is compressive force is equal to 10 joules. What is your compressive force? 0.36 FCK BXU. Then 10 is equal to 0.87 FYAST. Then XC is equal to 0.87 FYAST by 0.36 FCKB. So next step is that you have to find the critical depth of the neutral axis. That is XU max. You will have different formulas based upon the different type of steel. If you use the Fe450 one formula, Fe250 one formula, Fe415 one formula. Like that 0.46D, 0.53D, 0.48D, like that we have 0.4D, like that formulas we have. So based upon the type of steel. So by that way we will find the XC max. And again we have 3 conditions. The 3 conditions are under reinforced, balanced, and over reinforced. So under reinforced, if XU less than XU max, that is the under reinforced section. If it is XU is equal to XU max, that is balanced section. XU greater than XU max, that is over reinforced section. So after that you have to find the moment. to find the moment of resistance, what is the condition? The compressive force are tensile force into level. Then compressive force 0.36 FCK BXU into D minus 0.42 XU. If it is a balance section or a reinforced section, in the place of X, you have to put XU max. I just say the example how they give the theory, the conventional type questions in the SSC IES examinations, and they will ask what are the types of test conductor and cement, and what are the like building materials. Theory questions also they may ask you. This is the procedure, guys. This is about the IES examination. I will tell you one thing. Examination, to crack this type of examinations, what are the things you need to do? First, start with the subject. You have to prepare. First of all, you have to prepare your one short notes for your subject, whatever you are preparing. The people who have succeeded in their examinations, I have interacted with many people who have qualified in IIT, in the GATE examinations, and also IES examination and other competitive jobs. 90% people who have qualified in this exam, who has cracked successful in these examinations, their success story, what they're saying is that first you have to prepare your own short notes. Why? Because you have to follow your own short notes. I will tell you the advantage with the own short notes. Suppose you have strength materials, one subject is there, simple stress and strains. If you see your textbook, in textbook, the simple stress and strains would be 36 pages. If you convert this 36 pages into 4 or 5 pages in a simple short notes like one line, 2 line in your own line, you can easily to crack any examination. Everyone will study all the examinations, prepare for the exam. The people who only will qualify the people who has done the effective preparation. So that's why the person who has prepared the 5 pages short notes can revise the subject more times. Why? Because to crack any examination, you need to prepare your own short notes. You have to revise the subject, and subject should be in your fingertips, and formula should be in your fingertips. Why? Because formula is why important. Suppose I think you all aware about the geotechnical engineering or soil mechanics. In the soil mechanics, to find the dry density of the soil, we have different formulas. Like rho is equal to rho b by 1 plus w. Rho d is equal to g plus se into rho w by 1 plus e. Rho d is equal to g plus e into rho w by 1 plus e. Rho d is equal to g minus 1 into rho w by 1 plus e. Like that, this much of different formula. So how you know which formula? When you are going for the competitive exam, the time will be less. How you know which type of formula you have to apply? So within the fraction of times, you have to decide which formula is applicable for this question. So that one we know based upon the given data. To decide in that fraction of times which formula is applicable, you have well practice and your formula should be in your fingertips. Okay. So this is about the IES exam, guys. You have to prepare your own short notes. Second one is you have to revise the subject. Not only some people usually what they will do is that now I will prepare the soil mechanics, after that fluid mechanics, after the strength, but they won't revise the subjects whatever they have prepared. To crack all the competitive exams, you have to revise the subjects periodically. Periodically, you have to revise the subjects, and after that, you have to practice the previous year's papers. Why? Because many people leave this one when they're preparing. You have to prepare the previous year's papers. Practice. Why? Because you know how your level, where you are, in which year you are weak. Everything you can know. While preparing, you will know the reality of your preparation. How you are in a right track or not, you will know. In the mock test and in the previous year's papers, while practicing, you will come to know that whether I'm in a right track or not, you can know. So that's why you have to practice the previous papers, and after that also mock test and periodical revision is enough. Is a better thing. So this is about the IES, guys. I have given the brief idea. If you need more information also after completion of the presentation, you can talk to me. Okay. This one with this IES exam is okay. Anyone